So I'm finally in Philippines. I'm so excited after a 20-hour flight. Was supposed to be out of the terminal. However, there was miscommunication with every single person from Philippine Airlines. Some said that it's 48 hours, some say it's 24 hours, some say that I can leave, some say I cannot. Well, in the end, I cannot leave, but I'm here, so I have 22-hour transit. So yeah, it's not supposed to be a Philippine Airlines vlog, but I feel like I will do it for the sake of everyone else. Anyway, the customer service are not really that friendly or good even. However, everyone in the plane crew, the cabin crew is really, really nice. Very attentive, they're great. I have nothing but positive thing to say about them. But customer service on the phone, y'all have no idea what you're doing. Run around giving me all these answers. I know I'm ranting right now, but I don't really do this, but I think even my voice has changed because I was so angry. I'm tired. I have a running nose now for, I don't know, whatever. I'm just really, really tired. So Philippine Airlines, I know you went bankrupt or going to be bankrupt. I think this is the reason why. But we'll see. I have a returning flight with you, and we'll see. I'll finish it with this, and it will be a full vlog about Philippine Airlines. The bags. Oh, Sony, thank you. I had this for a very long time, but I've never like used it because I don't really need it. Even with like New York, LA, really don't really need this kind of headphone because I do have my AirPods, but this will definitely be a savior for me on the long haul. So Sony, oh, thank you so much. Waiting to board, but from check-in to just being in Terminal 1 has been great. Has been smooth. So since this is going to Manila, so Philippines require every traveler to fill up a form. It's one health pass, and then you will get like fill all your details, and then you will get in less than 10 minutes you will get like a QR code. Mine was even less than that, like probably 5 minutes. It's pretty straightforward, and then when you actually check in, they will really check on the One Health Pass and also your vaccination card. So 30 more minutes to boarding. Flight is at 1:35. So one of the reasons why I pick Philippine Airlines is because it's either Philippines, Singapore Airlines, or there's another flight that I am not really familiar with, and I don't really want to fly Singapore Airlines because it's a direct of a 17-hour flight. So I pick Philippine Airlines. Anyway, I had quite a hassle just after booking. So anyway, they added a technical stop probably like a couple of weeks ago. So now the flight is going to Vancouver for an hour, and then from Vancouver we'll go straight to Manila. So in total I'll be in the plane for 20 hours and defeat the purpose of me not going to Singapore Airlines. But however, it's fine. I mean, it's the experience of things. So far, it has been great. But Philippine Airlines, your customer service, it's touch and go there. But hopefully, the flight is going to be great. I'll be filming most of the time since it's like also at 1:35. I'm tired, so I'll be sleeping. But yeah. Oh, another thing too, a fun fact, like I literally 7 or 8 people now have been talking to me in Tagalog and I have no clue what to say or whatever. And I was like, no, I'm Malaysian. I was like, oh, you look like just like Filipino. Like I get that a lot in New York. I was like, oh, are you Filipino? I was like, I'm not, I'm Malaysian. There's nothing wrong with being Filipino. I just cannot speak Tagalog.
7, bound for Manila with a refueling stop in Vancouver. In command of this flight is Captain Richard Denosta, assisted by First Officer Cheryl Flores. This is your flight purser, Ms. Diagoncillo.
Mabuhay! Welcome on board this Philippine Airlines flight. Before we depart, we want to let you know how much we care about your safety. This is inspired by everyone in the country for the safety of everyone in this flight.
Before settling down, be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in the overhead compartment and small heavy items under the seat in front of you. Let us also ensure that all aisles and exit rows are clear of any items.
We're in transit, going off to different places, different planets. But your aura passed me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transit, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I could? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. You only get this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transit, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go.
that. Hi! So I'm in Manila. I was so excited to leave, but I cannot leave because a lot of people gave me wrong information. So now I am here for 22 hours. So I'm bringing you along. I don't know how this vlog is gonna be, but it's gonna be like I'll be in the same lounge for a long time. But I have to leave at 11 p.m. because they close at 11 p.m. They reopen at 3, and my flight's at 8:20 tomorrow morning. So anyway, I'm gonna shower real quick and I'll show you around. But literally, this airport have nothing. I was like walking around and I was like, oh my god, there's nothing to do, nothing to buy. It's fine. So I'm gonna shower, probably take naps here and there. I try not to take naps today because it's 2 p.m. Manila, which is 2 a.m. JFK. So yeah. Turn on.